Hello guys, welcome to GrowCloudSkills. I am Vaibhav. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a lookup in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So if you can see on the screen that I have written a blog post on how to create a lookup in Oracle Fusion. You can go to the website GrowCloudSkills.com and you can refer the blog on how to create a lookup in Oracle Fusion HCM. So in today's video, I am going to give you the demo on how to create that particular lookup. So here you can see I have logged in into Oracle Fusion Cloud. Now to go to that particular lookup creation part, you go to your profile icon, then setup and maintenance. Then again here go to task, click on search. Here write manage common lookups and click on search. Now you can see here one task is open, manage common lookups. So as per the blog, I have already created one lookup. It's GCS EMP status. So I'll show you that lookup first. Okay. So you can see here that lookup type is, then lookup meaning, lookup description, and for which module this particular lookup is created. So there are different modules like this global HR, then absence, time and labor, etc. And below you can see these are the lookup codes. It's sequence, start date, end date, meaning, description, tag, and this next DFF values as per requirements. So for now I'll delete this particular lookup and then we'll create a fresh one. Simply select this lookup. How to delete? Just simply select and delete. It will ask you for confirmation. Click yes. Now it's deleted. If I am searching for the same name, we don't have. Okay, so let's get started with the creation process. So click on this plus icon. Give the lookup name as GCS EMP status, meaning as whatever you want. I'll just write employee status. Write something in the description. Now to choose the model, just click on this drop down. Click on search. I am currently making this particular lookup for the global HR, so I will simply write global human resource. Whatever is your module, based on that you write like absence management, so that particular absence management will come, and based on that you have to select the particular module. Okay, now I have given the lookup type, meaning, description and module, so I can just click on save. Once I saved it, now my lookup is created. Okay, so our lookup is created now, so we are going to add the lookup codes now. Just click on plus here. Now add the lookup code. First was active employee. Give display sequence as time. Here date, start date and end date is optional. This enable flag is ticked as yes, so that means this particular record is enabled and it will be used in your particular queries. Otherwise, if you are removing this tick, then it is not getting fetched in your queries. Okay, then start date and end date is optional. Then give meaning as active employees. Then description, you can say something based on your requirement. This is optional. Only lookup code and the meaning, these two things are mandatory. Then tag, you can write something as I am writing act 1. Okay, as this is done, I can add the second lookup code. Just click on plus. Second lookup code I want to add as inactive, display sequence as 20, and meaning as inactive employees. You can write description something and tag is optional. So after all, once you are done with adding all these values, just click on save. You can see both of the values are fetched. So in this way you can create the lookup. If you want to see this particular lookup data, that data is getting stored in FND common lookups table. You can write the query in this way like select star from FND common lookups where our lookup type is GCS EMP status. You can see this is how that query is. Okay. After you're done with this, just click on OK. And here we have the data. Lookup type as the name, lookup code, meaning, description, then enable flag, that tick thing, then dates, display sequence, and whoever created and updated. So this is how you can fetch that particular lookup data in your queries. So this was a quick demo on how to create a lookup in Oracle Fusion HCM and how to use it in your queries. So that's it in today's video. Thank you so much.